Let me show you how we can fade out an image so it will gradually disappear into transparency. As you can see, I got my image loaded already in Pixelmator Pro. What I need to do next is I need to add a mask to it to mask the part of it. There is a very handy mask menu now in the layer panel. Click on that menu and then add mask. By default, our mask is simply white, showing everything. We need to put a gradient on that white mask, not on the image, but on the mask. Take a look. Now the image is selected, now just the mask. So select the mask, grab the gradient tool from the right, black and white, and simply apply that. The black color is mean totally invisible. The white one, just a plain image. 100% visible, 100% of opacity. And everything in between, all of the grays in between black and white, that's the gradual transparency. So we can do it over here and like that, so which gradually disappear to the edge. Of course, if you are not interested into disappearing your image into transparency, you can make it into a solid color. To do that, we simply put a new layer below the image. So let's add a new layer. Place that layer below at the very bottom, and we can fill this layer with a solid color if you like. Or you can place another image here, and this way we can kind of merge two images. But for this example, I will just use the color fill, and I will put the color there. Alright, so thanks to this mask over here, the image is fading into this blue color. Without this layer, I can just fade it into transparency and save it as PNG. What if I want to fade the image on all sides? Kind of like a frame, blurry frame. We can still use the mask. Let's take a look. So again, I add a mask. It's white. And then I will select the whole image. So holding command, I click on the mask and I got the selection like that. What I want to do right now, I want to shrink the selection. I want the selection to be smaller. So I can do it manually just by shrinking the selection by hand. Just like that. And then I want to invert the selection. Head to Edit, Invert Selection. And now we got opposite. We got this area kind of outside that rectangle selected. And that's what we're going to fill with a black color. Again, I'm working with the mask. All right. Now we can deselect. I like to use Command D to deselect. What I need to do now, I click on the mask and I'm just going to blur this mask. So we head to Format, Effects, Blur, Gaussian Blur. And now we just need to add a radius here. And we got the smooth transition all around on four sides into transparency. It's like the image is disappearing on all four sides. Alright, so that's how you do it. You can fade in the image into transparency by adding a black and white gradient to your mask. You can also do a soft black color all around as I just did if you want to fade it from all four sides. The final touch is to export this as brand new PNG with the transparent backdrop. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.